sledgehammer, and oh, that thing's pretty heavy. I don't know how much pounds it is, but I will tell you one thing, it is heavy. So we're cleaning out our shop today, and so we got some stuff. You'll probably be able to hear some background noise, but that's okay. And we're gonna be whacking some of the stuff we're throwing away. And trust me, this thing is heavy. I really hope it doesn't break. We've already whacked it a little, but not a whole lot. No, but we're gonna be whacking. Okay. Okay, we did a little bit of damage. Let's try one of these things. Okay. Actually, we could just whack this thing, whatever this thing is. Okay, that did a lot of damage to that. Get out of there. The sledgehammer's stuck. Okay, I've lied. Alright, I wonder what happens to this glass. Oh, wait. That's plastic, I think. Comment down below what that is, because I literally have no clue. Whoa, it's actually pretty strong, so it's probably not glass. Maybe it is glass. Whoa, yeah! Oh my goodness, look how cool that looks. I'm about to smash it to pieces. Okay, maybe I'm not going to. Let's see. Let's just go for the golf swing. Yeet! Yeet! Yeah, it probably is actually glass. Alright, whack this thing. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, glass is harder than you think it is. Unless it's a strong glass. Oh yeah, it actually probably is strong glass because it's an oven, so that would make actually sense. It probably is strong glass actually. I'm gonna go in and whack this thing. And this thing is really heavy. And I've said that a lot of times because it is. You can still hear the glass cracking. I don't know if you can, but I definitely can. Oh! I am smoking this thing. Alright, time to drop the hammer. Oh! This thing is getting wrecked. Okay. That thing's not very strong, I'll tell you that. Alright, let's whack this top thing. Okay, I will tell you, this is gonna be a loud video. Alright, let's whack it like the golf swing. Oh. Actually, this isn't how you play golf. You kind of play like this. But we're not playing golf, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, let's whack this thing. Oh, I just whacked it shut. Okay, this thing's definitely plastic. Let's open it. Yeah, that's an odd way of opening it. Wait, can we whack the door off? Hold on. Oh man, now we're gonna whack it off. Yeah, that's probably not coming off. Let's see what we can do. Oh, this thing is so heavy. See what we can do with this thing. Okay, not the best idea, but it was cool while we whacked. Oh wait, hold on, that says danger. Let's not whack it. Let's whack it. Okay, that thing is... missed it. Okay, that thing is not really wanting to do anything. Okay, that thing is pretty strong. So that thing's probably gonna do nothing. Oh, this thing is so heavy. Okay. Oh, that was not expected. I did not expect that to happen. That just broke immediately. Well, this is what is inside one of these things. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, this thing is, don't buy one of those. If you're using a sledgehammer to break it. If it's gonna be damaged, don't buy one of those. Because obviously, this thing is not the best. Because We are destroying it. Yeah, okay. Well, that's not very strong. Let's whack this little toy. Okay, my hands hurt. Oh, I'm whacking this thing. Ah. Okay, this thing is actually pretty strong. And maybe it's actually really strong. Okay, maybe it's not as strong. I don't know if this thing is strong or not. Oh, look at this little deer head. Oh, it's actually strong. For a minute. Look at this little guy. Okay, hold on. He's trying to hide from us. We're about to just whack this guy straight out of existence. Oh, he's dead. What is this? Oh, that's wood. Yeah, nobody, whoa. Cares about wood. Except us, because we're kind of breaking wood right now. Nobody cares. Alright, I think we've done a lot of damage back here. Ouch. I think I'm just gonna finish breaking this thing, because it's fun. Die, mister! Okay, that's a lot of dust. I'm gonna hit this thing that says danger, because it's not actually plugged in, so. Okay, this thing does not. 1, 2, move. I got it. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can knock this thing out. Oh, I knocked that thing out. Okay. Is there a spine in my leg? No. Okay. We have done a ton of damage. Wait, hold on. I just noticed something. We have not broken through this. Looks like we're breaking through. Maybe. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. Okay. Really, we're not destroying anything about the broken glass that we already broke. So I have a plan. Whoa, it's purple inside. Okay. I plan. Could work, maybe not. Okay, that glass is pretty strong, but I think I know a way to break it. Move this down. I don't even know what that is. And just go ham on it. That's how you break it. That is how you break it. Wait a second. We didn't break it! Okay. That thing is probably invincible. That is a lot of glass. Okay, so we now know that ovens are very protected. Like, very protected. Like, very protected. I'm gonna break this thing off. Get off! Okay, I want to follow me. Nah! I'm about to slam this thing. Might be loud, so if you're wearing headphones, it might be loud. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna go. Oh, okay, I missed that one. Oh, I missed that one. Oh, I missed that one. Okay, we're not going up. One more try. Nope. Okay. No, it fell. You cannot hit upwards. Things are heavy. Ah! I'm gonna go for the handles. I missed the handles. I hit the handle. Okay, this thing is very. Oh. Also, do not try this at home because you do not want to break these because these are expensive. Unless you're throwing it away, then of course you can break it. If your mom and dad say so. I'm trying to hit the glass. Oh, I hit the the glass. Oh wait, look at this. It's only one. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna zoom. Because I don't want to whack myself with glass. Because obviously that's not a good thing. Because you don't want to get whacked with glass. Obviously. I mean, who wants to get whacked with glass? Some crazy people. Alright, let's get back to whacking. Upwards. Oh, I actually did it this time. Say hello to my little friend. Now let's go back down over it. Oh, this thing is getting heavier by the moment because my hands are getting tired. Yay! Yeah, I don't think we did any more damage to that thing. I'm gonna try to go for this glass with the golf club sweep. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Did I get it? Nope. Wait. Oh, I broke it! Technically, I broke it because it's like, see? Technically, it counts. I am the one who says if it counts, and I count it. I'm not kidding, but no one cares. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do anything to that anytime soon. I'm gonna go in from the top and see if I can. That hurt. There's some damage. Obviously, I did not do a lot of damage. Alright, let's go. Oh wait, hold on. I have one last thing. We need to break this deer. One slam, one kill. That's how you kill a deer. That is exactly how you kill a deer. Yep, that's how you kill a deer. Well, guys, that's kind of it for this video because we have not broken any of those things, but we've broken everything else pretty much. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe if you want to. No, I'm just kidding. Subscribe or I will smack your face with this sledgehammer, and there's no telling what will happen because I could miss, or I could just whack your face and it would be really bad. So yeah.